Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here, my friends, with breaking news. Once again with the DJI FPV drone that we've been talking a lot about in this channel. It just got leaked a few days ago, but a lot of people have been wanting to know when this drone is going to be coming out. Well, today I have that answer for you. We have the confirmed release date for the DJI FPV drone coming in today's video. So make sure that you watch today's video so you can learn when this new drone from DJI is going to be releasing. Okay, but before we get started here with our video, make sure that you subscribe here in the channel so that you can keep up to date with the latest drone news, and also so that you can participate in our next giveaway. Okay, how big will the prize be? Well, that's going to depend on how much of your support, my friends, we actually get. So if we get a little support, we maybe just give away a filter, a case, or just maybe a landing pad. But if we get a really good amount of support from all of you, we might even go ahead and give away another drone here in the channel. So my friends, if you want to see this happening, you know what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button and join the Drone Emotion family. So my friends, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. Today's news are coming over from our guys over at Drone Deals. These guys are a very reliable source, and they have proved that since the release of the DJI Mavic Air 2, when they gave us the release date a month in advance, okay, before DJI actually said they were going to be releasing the Mavic Air 2. And today, it's not the exception. Today, they have the release date for all of us here today. So I'm gonna go ahead, my friends, and talk a little bit about the DJI FPV drone. So this drone right here on screen got leaked a few days ago, okay? We still don't have the confirmed price, okay? We still don't have that. We do have the specs, and we made a video talking about it. So if you want to know the specs, it's on the channel, so make sure you check it out if you are interested in knowing the specs of this drone. So this drone is going to be DJI's first FPV drone, and a lot of people want to know when this new drone is going to be coming out, okay? At the beginning of the week, we have two options. The first one, we're going to be seeing the DJI FPV drone released before Christmas, which makes sense, right? Because that's when DJI has the best sales. So that was the first option. But then we have the second option, which was January, which a lot of people didn't thought it was going to be coming out in that date. But today we're going to be telling you when exactly it's going to be coming out. So this drone was originally scheduled to be released in October, okay? But it got delayed just as the DJI Ronins got delayed in October of this year. So that's why the FPV drone has been delayed. But today we had the release date for all of you. Thanks over from our guys over at Drone Deals. So when is it that this new drone is going to come out? Well, we know that it's almost finished, okay? We know it's finalized production, and we can prove that with the picture that we just showed at the beginning of the video. We can clearly see the box of this drone. So the DJI staff said actually that the drone had started production. So that's good news, okay? And they said that it will release in January of 2021 or later. That's right, my friends. I know I'm also very discouraged to be hearing this news. I'm gonna go ahead and leave Drone Deals message right here. You have it, so you can see I'm not making this up. This is coming from the guys over at Drone Deals, a very reliable source. And there we have it. The DJI FPV drone is going to be coming out in January 2021. And it looks to be like the reason for that is because the drone has just started production. So it looks like they're not going to be having enough stock for the drone when it comes out. So I think that's going to be the reason why the FPV drone has been delayed to January 2021. So I mean, it's only a month away. So let's hope that we get it on January 2021. So that's right now the release date. In case something happens and we don't know, maybe DJI surprises us and maybe they decide to release it before Christmas. We don't know, but for now this is a release date, January 2021 or a little bit later on, okay? So keep that in mind, mark your calendars, because this is when the DJI FPV drone is going to be coming out. My friends, that's all I got for you in today's video. A little bit of sad news, I know, but hopefully DJI decides to surprise us and they are able to boost up that production. Hopefully. But for now, January 21, 2021, we're getting the DJI FPV drone. It's been a pleasure talking about all of this info in today's video. Thank you for watching, my friends, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone in Motion, signing out.